Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a three-part series where I'm talking about how to meditate, what to do, what is it, and some tips and tricks that are going to support you in creating a practice for yourself. And so today I want to share what is meditation. Meditation is the opportunity and the ability to quiet your mind down to zero. It's being able to quiet your mind so enough that you are not thinking of anything. You have zero thoughts in your mind and you are really just tuned into your breath. It's the ability when your upper chakras, your crown, which is above you, your third eye, and your throat, is you feel as though you are connected to a higher place, a higher source. And really, it's allowing the veil between you and your intuition, as well as you and the voice of the universe, to really be in conversation. You know you are meditating when you feel like you are not in the room that you are in. And so that is really the place of where you want to be, of when your imagination is so above you that you can feel as though you have been lifted off into another realm. And so in this three-part series, I want to share some quick and easy ways in which to look at meditation as a fun and interactive practice that is going to spark your intuition, that is going to allow you to really, tap into your spirituality and create a practice for yourself that is going to, do so many things, from connecting to your body, mind, and soul, to connecting more to your emotions, your breath, your breathing, your subtle body, feminine and masculine energy. Breathing and meditation has been such an amazing aspect of my life, and I'm here to share it with you because I know it could do wonders for you too. So stay tuned for video 2, where I'm sharing more about what is meditation and how to get it right, or at least in alignment with your mind and body. So till next time, shine on.